Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video tutorial on how to design Vtol RC drone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to design the wing. To do that, we are going to create a new component for the wing by right-click on the top part, click New Component. We change the name to Wing, click OK, make sure the wing component is selected. And right now we have to offset a construction plane. We offset the middle construction plane and we bring it to about, it has to be close to the fuselage, to be here 170 mil. I'm going to choose that distance. As you can see, it's very close to the fuselage, and click OK. We drag the side of the construction plane just to enlarge it. Just like that. Now we are going to import the wing coordination, but before doing that, we have to know the wing chord. The wing chord is the part that attached to the fuselage, this area. In order to do that, I'm going to show you a quick hack how to measure this distance. To do that, we are going to draw a sketch on the top view and choose a line. We draw a line from here to here just to know the length of the wing chord. It's 386 millimeter, the wing chord. I think 380 millimeter is perfect. We just cancel it, finish the sketch, and we delete that sketch that we just drew to measure the wing chord. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the construction plane, click Utility, Add-ins. We specify the wing chord in the section 380 millimeter. Click OK. And I've already downloaded the wing coordination. If you do not know how to do that, I've made a video and I'm going to put the link in the description so you can check there and see how to download the wing coordination. Now select the file, click Open. As you can see, we have the wing coordination here. Just click or press M button on the keyboard to move it. I'm going to bring it to here just to make sure it's at the same place with the blueprint. So we have to check the top view as well. We move it back here. I think that looks okay. Yeah, just like that. And we check the side view, the right side, and we check the front view as well. So from the front view, it's not where it has to be. We just move it up minus 60, minus 65. Yeah, that looks perfect. And click OK. We cannot extrude this profile, sorry, because the profile is not closed. So what I'm going to do, just select the profile, right click, edit the sketch, hide these things. Excuse me. Now I'm going to choose Fit Point Spline. Click here. Click here. As you can see now, the profile is closed. I just adjust this and click OK. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, as I mentioned in the first video, the wingspan of this drone is 3.5 meters. So we are going to extrude the profile to about this line, and this area is the winglet we are going to design in the next video. So to do that now, I'm going to draw a sketch, no matter where, because we have to choose the 3D sketch and choose line. Zoom in. Oh, I'm sorry. What I noticed that the profile is not in a proper place. That has to be from the front view. It doesn't place very well. So again, I'm going to select it, press M button and move it down. Now it looks okay, I think. No. Now it looks perfect. All right. We make the sketch, 3D sketch is selected, we draw a line. We are going to zoom in, just choose this line, we go to the top view, select the top view, and we bring the line to here. Click finish. Again, we do the same thing. Zoom in. We pick this line. Top view. Which is the top construction plane. Sorry, I made a mistake. Just like that. Click finish. Finish the sketch. Now we draw the line, two straight line from the coordination. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sweep. Choose sweep command. I'm going to choose the profile. I'm going to use path plus guide rail. So the path is going to be this line, the guide rail is going to be this line. Now as you can see, we could design the wing easily. So let's select the fuselage, hide canvas. Now the wing is designed easily. So to design the left side wing, we are going to use the mirror command. I'm not going to do that because we have to split the fuselage and mirror the right side to the left side, so we make sure that we have perfect design. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos and finish the design with me. Thank you so much.